Alrighty, welcome back to this epic CPU/computer building journey. Alright, so let's get started. We have the AND gate, the NOR gate, and the OR gate. Hopefully we can do all three of them today in this video. Let's see. I mean, I guess I'll leave it on here for a second for y'all to read this. I don't know. Okay, so create a circuit that matches the table. Tip. Double click on the component to move together and connect wires to match the table. What table? Huh? I guess this table. Is that it? Create the circuit that matches the table. Okay, yeah, I guess that's what it is. So when both are off. Oh, this is the AND. I think this is the AND. And I do like how all of this seems to be able to be built from literally a NAND gate. I find that interesting. But anyways, let's continue. And I hope the music isn't bad. Let me up a little bit more. So here we are. When this is on, when it's off, we need it on. Okay. Right, because what is this? This is not. So when it's off is on, when it's on is off. No, that's not what I need to do. In fact, let's just see. So we're going to do this. If we turn this on, this is on. Which I need it off. I need it on. So I need it off. You know, this is kind of a good exercise when I stop and think about it. Because like I'm pretty much realizing how much of it I remember, right? So here we are. When this is on, how did I get it again? When this is on, it needs to be nothing. When this is off, well, but this is on, it needs to be nothing. Did I really just do that? So that's nothing. That's nothing. And why do I feel like it's gonna be something like this? It looks like I'm making an AND gate, if I'm not mistaken. So when let's just kind of do it a step at a time for a second. So when both are on, it's on. Right. When one is on, it's off. When this is off, it's off. This is off. Well, that's actually all I needed. Hey, I'm making the AND gate. Alright, so that's the AND. This is the NOR. Most creatures on the earth are aggressive and cannot focus. Let's continue. Create a circuit that matches the table. Okay, so what's the table here? Building the NOR gate. So here's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just going to make a video for each thing. That's probably gonna be the best because this stuff will end up increasing in duration. So that's it for this video. Next video, we will pick it up from this one, the NOR gate. So that's awesome. I almost kind of want to just go ahead and do the NOR gate, but you know, we're going to kind of use this as a nice refresher course, if you will, right? And just kind of move through it one by one. Nevertheless, I will catch y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see y'all later.